All right, so doing some polished concrete for a local restaurant. And, I'm a big fan of buying tools to make things easier. And sometimes when you buy tools, it seems like jobs will come that'll fit that tool. So when I bought this, I got it because it's a multiple floor type of cleaning machine, but I don't really think too much about restaurant work and stuff like that. But hey, this all happens. This is a perfect fit. You can tell how filthy this concrete is, but actually comes up pretty dang easy with a machine like this. I got a red pad in there. It's got a squeegee on it and a vacuum, and it's wireless, so it's pretty easy. Getting along, mowing along. Using carpet details in here, just slightly above neutral pH, versus smart, stay right around neutral pH on concrete, so you won't eat away the seal and stuff on this. This floor is not that old, it's only like a year old. It's just their maintenance routine's not good. So yeah, when I bought my Orbot Vibe, it seemed like since I bought that Orbot Vibe, I started doing a lot of commercial type carpet cleaning. Which we're going to be doing that here also. There's some staining in here. But I did try to treat that. I don't go nowhere. Not worried about it. Not for the, just cleaning costs, right? But, you get spills and concrete's very porous, so it will go beneath the surface and you can't do nothing about that. I might put the brush on here and see if it takes more off. All right, stay tuned. All right, so around all these areas, I'm gonna go ahead and use the nap to this. I did a pre-spray. Let that stuff kind of sit a little bit. That way it's easy clean. And we're just go around with the flat rock and just detail all the edges and stuff. Fun. So Edwin's doing a VLM on this so we can get it as dry as possible before they show up. Customers start showing up. We can go over and clean it. That's great. And then go over with the dry pad. And then we'll get some fans on there for a little bit. Well, I'm knocking out the concrete. All right, all that greasy traffic area is gone. Carpet's almost dry already. It is dry. Yeah, like inside it, that's just, I can't get that any better. You don't want to use really high alkaline products on concrete, polished concrete either. So really good maintenance routine. I did give the customer product recommendations, and just, using this more often. And I'm glad we did, because it only took us about 2 hours. And yeah, I'll leave the estimate or ticket at the end, and yeah, liking it. So next time I did recommend it, we did actually do a polish too. So I would just for a white pad and maybe a little bit of floor wax and just kind of give it a little bit more shine back, because it did get a little bit duller, but a lot better. Customer's happy. All right, all finished up. So we ended up, I ended up going back over it with the brush just to see if it got any better. It really didn't do much of a difference. So that red pad really was doing its thing. And it's really most recommended for concrete, so you don't open up the pores and stuff. So pads are better than brushes, especially stiffer brushes. And we just, in the really bad areas in and out of the kitchen, I use that. But yeah, it didn't really make much of a difference. So they're gonna start using us more periodically, because it's the first time they've had a floor clean, and they haven't been doing a good job just maintenance at all, as you can tell. So all right, well, yeah, VLM, like I said when I bought this, VLM just started lining up. And actually in the last few months I've done a lot of VLM. And then this right here, like I said, it just opens you up for more job opportunities with tools that, you know, different tools, you know. So next thing I'm gonna get is a pressure washer. Yeah.